about identifier. So basically, there's many types of identifier: int, short, double, string, char, float, boolean, bool, etc. And today we will be talking about int and short. So what is short? Short has the range of short can store an integer um, that has the range of negative 2 to the power of 16 to positive 2 to the power of 16 minus 1. So basically we could define a short. Short m is equal to 5. And then we can try std out short m and std and l. And then in this case it prints out the number. We could also change its value after we declare it. So in this case, we could try do it like this. Oh, sorry. So in this case, it becomes 7. But one important thing is that once you declare it, you cannot redeclare it like this. Because in this case, you will see that there's a redeclaration of short int m. And then sometimes it could also store what's that called? You could also initialize it as decimals, but if you write it as like decimals, it will be rounded to integer. So for example, if you write 5.4, it will be rounded to 5. And if you write 4.7, it will be rounded to 4. So this is not like a standard rounding rule. It's a floor rule. So it rounds to the number that is that the biggest number that is smaller than the decimal. Yeah. And then let's talk about the int. Int stores an integer with a value of from negative 2 to the power of 16 to positive 2 to the power of 16 minus 1. So in this case, let's say this stores more values than short. Let's say we write the following, and then we try to std out it. You can also modify the value of both integer and short through the what's that called, the plus plus method. Basically, if you say plus plus, then plus 1. And then if you write this, it pluses 1 again. But there's a difference between the two. The difference of it actually comes from the cout part. So if you write like this in cout, then it will show the original value. And because this it represents, it first prints then adds. But if it's this, it will be first add then print. So that is the difference between the two. And you could also add more values here. You could also make operations using the the variable. So for example, a is equal to a times 3. Then you cout a again. And then you can see it is multiplied by 3. So here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye bye.